Hello grade 8s. Today I wanted to show you how to use the lever simulation that you're being asked to use this week for your science work. So once you're into the Explore Learning program, you can go into your homeroom, click around, and you should be able to find this lever simulation, and it should be brought to a page that looks just like this. Now you're going to be asked to do a few things over the course of your different activities for the week, so you know how to move things around in this simulation. The first things first is here you can see that we have our class 1 lever right now because we have our strongman, who's our effort force, and all of our farm animals that are the loads. So, and in the middle here we have our fulcrum, so we can see here that's pivoting on point 3. And if you want to move the fulcrum around, all you have to do is just click and hold on the triangle or the fulcrum, and you can move it around to different positions. And you move it around like that, so move back to point 3. Other things you can move around here are your strongman or the effort force. So you just kind of grab his head and move him around. He can't really pass the fulcrum though, at least not yet. And you can move him around like this. You can also move around your farm animals and they'll make some nice noises at us to place them on the other side of the lever. You know, move all the way over here, so you can move the animals wherever you want, and this purple dot is going to be where they sit. So here I'll leave the turkey at position 4, just like your first lap. Now the tricky bit that I want to show you guys here is the strongman's positioning. Right now it looks like he's at part 2 because it's in the middle of his chest, middle of his head. But the one problem with the simulation is that it's kind of hard to figure out where the effort force is. So to apply force, all you're going to do is use the slider or click and type in the newtons. But I'll slide for now. Let's start with 50 newtons of force. See right here, there's this blue dot. This blue dot is where the force is being applied. This is very important. So this blue dot is the force being applied, so it's not being applied at position 2, it's being applied at position 1.5, which could mess up your results pretty significantly. So let's move them over. And you can apply the force again, just a little bit of force. And hey, look at that, we have our blue dot at position 2, and that's lifting your turkey up. So I'll reset everything. So that's how you use the levers. It's pretty easy. So follow the instructions in your different labs this week. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.